My name is Joel. I come from Kenya. I'm actually here with the patient, my dad. We appreciate the services here. It was excellent. It's an excellent facility. He has actually undergone a heart surgery, an open heart surgery to replace his aortic valve. The doctors did it perfectly. It's actually a perfect treatment. I also recommend patients coming to this place. And the reasons, a few reasons why I say this is one, the environment itself, the staff. The staff are so much efficient. The staff are very efficient. The doctors are also they are well trained. To take an example, a team of the cardiologists who took the operation for my dad are recommended by the American Board of Surgeons. I think they are the best, I can say the best. Having just stayed for less than 14 days, my dad can walk, can do everything. Actually, we are very, very happy. About the cost, we are also very pleased with the cost. Actually, unlike what many of my colleagues in Kenya believe, that the price, the cost of these operations in India are very high, I have come personally to know that it is actually realistic. It is very cheap as compared to other private hospitals in Kenya and other parts of Africa. About Dr. Bojuan, this is a person I came to know here. He's a nice, very nice surgeon. He welcomed us very nice. What he just explained to us is that the operation is not a big deal. He went us through the operation. He showed us how we are going to do. And I'm also happy about him because he never took much time. It took about 1 day before the operation, and the operation was very successful. It's actually because of his effort and his maybe his knowledge on the same. So actually I appreciate his service. I'm so much pleased with him and his team, being the leader of that team.